Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you kung paano mag-buy at mag-sell ng stocks with COL Financial. COL Financial is one of the most popular online stockbrokers in the Philippines. Kung first time kayo magtatransact sa website nila, it can get confusing kasi marami kayong makikitang tabs and buttons. Pero don't worry, I'll make it simple for you para di kayo malito kahit first time nyo. So if you want to know how to buy and sell stocks with COL Financial, please keep on watching. Okay, so first, kailangan nating mag-login. Okay, now we're ready. So first, click nyo lang itong trade na tab. Okay. And then, ipi-fill up natin ito. So, start tayo with buying. So, if you're buying, so syempre kailangan naka-tick itong buy. And then, yung board, it should be main. So, itong odd lot, iba yung system nila dyan. So, usually, mga traders, itong main lot talaga yung ginagamit nila. And then, for term, we have three options. So, first is yung day. So, meaning lang yan, yung validity ng buy order nyo is only within the day. So, for example, nag-submit kayo ng buy order at a certain price. Tapos, walang nag-sell sa inyo at that certain price. Tapos, natapos na yung trading day. So, the next day, mawawala na yung buy order nyo. Mag-expire na siya the next day. And then, our next option naman is GTC. Ayan. So, GTC pala, it is short for Good Till Cancelled Orders. And ayan, as we can see here, GTC orders are valid for 60 days. So, eto naman, hindi siya mag-expire within the day, unlike day. Pero meron siyang expiration na within 60 days. So, for example, nag-buy order kayo today. Tapos, wala kayong nabili today. So, the next day, valid pa rin siya hanggang mag 60 days. Tapos, kapag, let's say, after 10 days, wala pa rin kayong mabili na stock at that certain price na gusto niya. So, pwede naman ninyong i-cancel yun. Ayan. Pero pag naka 60 days na siya, no need to cancel na kasi automatically magiging invalid na yung buy order niya after 60 days. Okay. Ayan. Tapos yung last option natin is ATC, which means at the close. Okay. Loading. Ayan. So, at the close order details. So, ang meaning naman ng at the close, mabibili mo yung isang stock at the closing price. So, meaning, hindi kayo yung magde-decide kung anong stock price yung gusto nyo. So, you can only decide kung anong stock and kung ilang shares. Tapos, yung price, ang magde-determine nun is yung stock market na. So, kung ano yung maging closing price ng stock na gusto nyo bilhin, at that price nyo siya mabibili at the closing time ng stock market. So, ayun. So, yun nga, as you can see here, meron lang stock code and number of shares. So, wala tayong space dito or wala tayong blank dito for the price. Ayan. So, for this example, let's just choose day. Okay. Ayan, day. So, meaning, itong buy order natin, valid lang siya within the day. So, Kung may mabili kayo, then that's good. Pero kung wala kayo mabili, automatic maka-cancel na yung buy order nyo the next day. Ayan. So, next thing, input natin yung stock code. So, kung ano yung company na gusto nyong bilhin. So, for example, Jollibee. So, ang stock code ni Jollibee is JFC. So, don't worry kasi meron naman tayong list ng mga companies with their stock codes. So, you can see it online naman, pero siguro I'll just put it in the description box na lang din for your reference. And next is number of shares. So it's up to you. Pero eto pala, meron pala tayong tinatawag na board lot. So ayan, nag-appear na itong for JFC. So let's look for the board lot. Ayan, so ang board lot ni Jollibee is 10. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng board lot? So first, ibig sabihin nitong 10, ito yung minimum number of shares na pwede mo mabili ng JFC. So, meaning, hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng 9, ng 8, so kailangan 10 siya. And second, kailangan kung more than 10 yung bibilin mo, it should be divisible by 10. So, meaning, you can buy 10 shares or 20 shares, 30 shares, 100 shares. Ayun. So, meaning, hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng 15, 25, 95. Ayun. So, kailangan yan. Minimum 10, tapos divisible by 10 naman siya kung more than 10 shares yung bibilhin mo. So, let's say, for example, we're buying 100 shares. So, lagyan nyo lang dyan, 100 shares. And then, sa price, it's up to you. So, pwede kayong mag-refer dito. So, by the way, ang current market price natin is 143. Yan, nagbago siya. 143.70 cents per share. So, let's say, so since example lang siya, we don't want to have it executed. So, let's just say 120 para safe. Ayan. So, once nalagyan nyo na dyan yung number of shares and price, makikita nyo na dito automatically yung net or kung magkano siya kapag binili nyo. Ayan. So, next natin is click natin yung preview order. Ayan. So, after natin maklik yung preview, you get to review yung transaction details bago siya masubmit. So, here, buying, kasi we're buying. And then, order details, board, main, stock code is JFC, term is day, and then valid until 4/16/2020 kasi nga day lang siya. And then, number of shares, 100, yung in-enter natin earlier. And then, price is 120 per share. And yung gross amount niya is 12,000. So, that's 100 shares times 120 pesos. So, 12,000 yung gross amount. Okay. And then, ito naman, order charges. So, syempre guys, meron yung broker fees and ito, tax. Ayan. So, computed na din siya. So, yung total charges natin is 35 pesos and 40 cents. So, combination na yan ng broker fees at mga iba pang fees with tax na yan. So, ang total natin is yung 12,000 na gross plus ito, 35 and 40 cents. So, once you're okay na, you have to enter your password. So, I'll just enter my password. Please wait. Ayan. And then, we click place buy order. So, guys, pag kinlik nyo to, masasubmit na talaga siya. So, make sure na i-review nyo siya in detail talaga. Ayan. So, I'm good naman na, and this is just a sample trade anyway. So, let's click place buy order. Okay, incorrect password. Ayun. So, okay na guys. So, sabi dito, your order is being sent for execution. Please see trading history section to verify your order status. Ayan. So, one way to check kung successful ba yung buy order natin is you click trading history. As we can see here, GFC, 100 shares. Tapos status nila is posted. So, meaning, successful yung buy order natin. So, waiting for seller na lang siya. And then, pag may nakamatch na siya na seller at this price and number of shares, makakabili na kayo ng stock ng Jolly. Okay, so now, I'll show you kung paano naman mag-sell ng stocks. So, it's basically the same. So, I'll show you na din para clear. So, again, click nyo lang tong trade tab. Ayan. So, eto din yung ginamit natin kanina for buying. So, same lang siya. Only since we are selling stocks naman, click natin itong sell. So, same lang sa board. It should be main. Because again, sa Adlat, iba yung sistema nila dyan. So, dito tayo sa main. And then, term. I explained na this earlier. So, for this example, let's go for day. Stock code. Stick na lang tayo kay JFC. Ayan. JFC. Number of shares. So, 100 na lang din. Or kayo, syempre, kung ilan yung shares na gusto nyong isend. And then, price. So, again, up to you kung anong price yung gusto nyo ilagay. So, stick na lang tayo sa example natin. 120 pesos per share. Ayan. So, guys, hindi ko na i-click itong preview order. It's just the same lang naman with the buy order earlier. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya i-click kasi wala naman akong hawak ng GFC. So, wala akong masasell na GFC stocks. So, you know the drill naman na. So, just click preview order. Tapos, mag-a-appear yung transaction details that we have to review. And then, enter password. Mag-reflect yung stocks na nabili nyo dun sa portfolio. So, the fastest way to view your portfolio is by clicking on the portfolio tab here. So, right now, yung stock na hawak ko is isa lang, which is nickel. So, matagal ko na siyang nabili. And then, once naman na mag-sell kayo ng stock, so let's say, isell ko tong nickel na shares na hawak ko, and ma-execute yung sell order na yon, magdi-disappear na siya dito sa portfolio ko. Kasi nga, naibenta ko na siya. So, wala na akong magiging hawak na shares nitong nickel. So, this one, this is just a summary of my portfolio. So, maybe next time we can discuss yung comprehensive version. Okay, so kung nakatulong sa inyo itong tutorial na to, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. So please help me grow this channel, and in return, I'll do my best to produce more videos na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo. So pwede nyo rin itong i-share sa mga friends nyo na gustong matuto kung paano gamitin itong COL Financial website for buying and selling stocks. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.